Hello, welcome to the 6th in the series of the 9 boxes of numeracy. Again, hopefully you're starting to make improvements, starting to develop confidence, and getting quicker as you're working through these questions. So on the next slide, you're going to see 9 questions as always. Pause the video once you see them on the screen. Have a go at all 9. Do your best. Maybe even start to time yourself as your confidence gets a bit better. See if you can get any quicker. And then once you've done that, obviously press play, and I'll talk you through all of those answers. Okay, so you've had time to try those 9. I'm now going to start to talk you through them. So number 1 is an addition question. So as soon as you see this question, you will start to set out your columns and then slowly go through, starting on the right hand side. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 and 7 is 15, so carry your 1. 5 and 5 is 10. Don't forget that one there to make it 11. 2 add 8 is 11. Sorry, 2 add 8 is 10. Add that one there is 11. So you've got 11,158. Number 2, multiplication. Again, as soon as you see it, you lot should know by now, we set up our grid. 7 threes are 21, and we've got 2 zeros there. So we've got 2 zeros there. 1 and 7 is 70. 30 times 2 is 60. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, and then we just add them together. So 2,170 plus 62. And we get 2,232. Okay, number 3 is a division. As always, as soon as you see it, we know we're using the bus stop method. How many 5s go into 8? Well, 1 with 3 left over. How many 5s go into 31? 6 with 1 left. How many 5s go into 15? 3. So the answer is 163. Subtraction. Just like addition, we set it out in columns. 8 take 1 is 7. 2 take away 8 we said we can't do, so we're going to borrow one of these. So that becomes 3, and then that borrowed one makes that one there 12, doesn't it? 12 take away 8 is 4. Again, 3 take 4 we said we can't do, so we're going to borrow one of this one. So that 7 becomes a 6, and that makes that one there 13. 13 take 4 is 9. 6 take 3 is 3. So we get an answer of 3947. 3,947. Add in with decimals. What do you do when you see an addition question with decimals in? As you know, you line your decimal points up. So we've got 5.86, line my decimal points up, and then you can put your 0.98 and your 4 in there. 6 add 8 is 14, 4 carry the 1. 8 add 9 is 17, add that one there is 18. You've got your 8 there, and your carried 1 goes on the other side of your decimal point, doesn't it? 5 add 4 is 9, add your carried 1 is 10. So we get an answer of 10.84. Okay, over here, 3.1 times 7.2. As always, I've already done 31 times 72. That was 2,232. So, if I was to estimate this question, well, 3.1 times 7.2 is very similar to 3 times 7. So the answer has to be close to 21, doesn't it? So where can my decimal point go to make the answer as close to 21 as possible? It's got to go in there, doesn't it? So the answer's got to be 22.32. You could say, how many numbers have I got after my decimal point? Well, there's 2. So the decimal has to go 2 places back in. Either way, it ends up in exactly the same place. So 22.32. Find 20% of 140. Well, 10% is 14. So 20% must be double it, so it must be 28. So the answer is £28. Do not forget your units. Find 3/4 of 36. To find a fraction of an amount, don't forget we divide by the bottom and then we times by the top. So we do 36 divided by the bottom. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Times by the top, 9 times 3 is 27. So it's £27. Write out the 9 times table. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. If you did carry on, obviously you got 99 and then 108. As always, thank you very much for spending the time to listen. Hopefully it is helping you. Hopefully you are making progress, and make sure you tune in for the next one.